This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kirby Cleese. This 5-acre parcel has it all. Starting with a well-maintained double-wide, this beauty has fresh paint, newly installed luxury vinyl plank throughout, a new stove and a new metal roof installed in 2025. Originally designed as a 4-halves, this unit combined 2 of the secondary bedrooms into one large bedroom 21 long, lending itself to many possibilities. Additionally, many handicap accessible features are incorporated, including an inclined walkway to the side entrance, a walk-in tub in the primary bath plus many other accessible features throughout. This lovely property, located just over the tax-friendly Gilcrest County Line, and has paved road frontage. Come watch the sunsets, check out the wildlife, walk in the forested portion of this beautiful property's Granddaddy Oaks, or just enjoy the view with quiet country living on any one of 3 ample covered decks, 10*x27, 12*x16 or 10*x36. Convenient to both Lake City and Gainesville. This area boasts superior recreational activities as well as access to world-class healthcare. Ginnie Springs Outdoors LLC, Ruth Kirby Park, the Santa Fe, Ichetucknee Springs State Park, and Suwannee Rives are all within easy driving distance, offering something for everyone. For more information, review the details below or contact Kirby Cleese at 386-454-7373.